particular with this word in the board. It's so hard for me to tell you that, but since what I know, that what I read, I'm just telling you. I hope I like it. Since you feel that something hard in the back of the ear, that is a mastoid. That is not ability to increase hearing, but that is a mastoid. A mastoid. What makes a mastoid itis? Because of the infection of the mastoid, it inflames. So since the mastoid is near and the petrocititis, I don't know where is that petrocititis. But I want to jump into facial paralysis. Then one of the complications of otitis media is facial paralysis. There is some kind of a nerve somewhere in this mastoid that's responsible to the facial fascia are responsible for the movement of the face. So that if the patient has complicated with the mastoiditis, the facial paralysis will occur. And that's the fact that a patient, when I see the patient when the boy is not died, I saw that there's something that's hard in his face, and I thought that it's just a kidney, but it's not a paralysis already. Then what is the labyrinthitis? Inflammation of the labyrinth. A labyrinth is some kind of hollow that there is, a bone. It's not actually a bone, a projection of the bone. There is a hollow that we call it labyrinthitis.
Ano siya?
Yeah.
Diba from the root word labyrinth,
Yeah.
it is a maze, na complex maze.
And that's what I read. I already got that in the temporal. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm about to discuss also the complications of the intracranial. As you notice, there are three abscess here. What actually is an abscess? And I thought it only was since I have already read the complications, so I focus myself to the complication also. That I thought that it was my reporting, but if it's not, but it's not my job already, so I think my job is done. Do we have to discuss this? Okay, I continue. What is actually abscess? As you see in the word, extradural abscess, there is an abscess, and this finger is not absent, but there is an abscess in front of you. And abscess means is an inflamed, swollen, and containing pus. What is containing pus? Containing pus is some kind of a nana inside the brain. So that when you see a brain, and the covering of that brain is some kind of there is a extradural means outside, and the subdural it means inside. So abscess means there is a swollen and containing pus in there, and the subdural abscess. And there is also a presence also in the brain when the proportion of the covering is deteriorated, then there is an abscess of that portion of the brain. And I don't know that venous from spondylitis, then Kyrie was explaining that, I don't know what's that, then otitic hydrocephalus. What makes a doctor items are this way color. You remember that the